Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple yet useful tutorial video for you guys. And today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log out from all the device on your Facebook. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, to do that, go to your Facebook profile and select your profile icon on top of your right screen. Select that, and here you can see the gear icon. Click that gear button, and here you can see account center. Click that option, and now scroll down. In here you can see the option password and security. Click that option, and in here you can see where you are logged in. So all you have to do is click that option and click your Facebook profile. Now as you can see, this is all the device that my Facebook account is logging into. So to log out from all this device, just select this option, select device to log out, select this option, and here you can select one by one and click that logout option so that that device will be log out. If you want to log out from all the device, just select all and click this logout option, and your Facebook account will be log out from every devices. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you in any way. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next one.